Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing green tea, Argan, Tamanu face serum. This serum is fully loaded with skin-loving ingredients. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel. And to all our subscribers, I want to say thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please visit our Etsy online store. The link will be on the information box. And these are the few ingredients that I use. I use organic infused green tea. We're going to use Moroccan argan oil. These are the benefits of all those oil. Very loving skin ingredients. And we're going to use rose hip oil with this serum. And this serum is perfect for every skin type. Tamanu Oil treat acne, moisturizer help fight wrinkles and more. And the jojoba oil, which I call jojoba, is skin moisturizer, anti-aging, non-acnegenic, and the vitamin E oil, the mixture. And I'm going to add the extract green tea and cucumber. And then we're going to top it with a superman frankincense and lavender. So if you want to see how to make this, let's get started. Gather all your equipment, your ingredients. I'll put on my gloves, and I always sanitize my working area with bleached water. And this is my infused oil that I'm gonna do more about that later. Just want to show you how I do it, and I just put a little bit right there. And this is the content I'm gonna use. It's a little bit punny, so that way when I want to pour it, be much easier. And I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of the infused oil. It depends on how much you're gonna use. If you want to make a larger bottle, you can just multiply whatever that I used here to make sure you get enough ingredient. This will be for 10 ml roller bottle. And for the next ingredient will be argan oil. Everything that I'm making, so this is half of a teaspoon that I'm putting right here. The argan oil, the tamanu, and jojoba oil. I call it jojoba oil. So we're just gonna put it just like so. And then I'm gonna add rose hip oil also to it, vitamin E oil, and after that I'm just going to mix it. You can even check yourself and Google the benefits of all these ingredients that we use today. And after that I'm going to add the extract, the green tea extract and cucumber extract. You know, those two, cucumber and green tea, is very super for under the eye circle and for anti-aging. Then I'm going to add 10 drops of each frankincense and lavender essential oil. And after that, I'm just going to mix everything together. So we're done. It's not going to take that long. And then I'm going to just put it in a bottle with a dropper, just like so. If you have a steady hand, you can do it. If not, you can just use spoon to fill it up. You don't want to waste your oil. Please visit our online store, Etsy store. The link will be on the information box. And after that, you just cap it. And we are done. This is our face serum right here. And I'm going to show you how I use mine after I take shower. Yes, I do take shower. Clean my face. And the next thing after that, I will spray the rose water, and I will use hydraulic acid cream. And then the next step will be my oil. I use this twice a day, morning and evening. People with acne, with oily skin, if you want to try first, you can just try maybe at night only, just to see. But all this oil are very good for any skin type. So the next one, I'm going to just apply face cream just like that. And when you apply your face products, make sure you do it upward so that you don't want to put your skin down. And you can see my skin is really, really good. That's why I showed to say. And you just make sure you apply to your neck. And this is me with my Owambe. And yes. So when you take care of your skin, you will have less makeup to put, and whatever makeup you apply, it should be really, really radiant. You'll be glowing in the dark. Thanks for your continued support and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please visit our online store. Love you guys.